Hello everyone, Shama Sharma from Yoga Please presenting the Pranayama series. The earlier videos we had talked about Chandrabhyas, Suryabhyas, Chandrabhedan, Suryabhedan, and we also learned how to do the alternate nostril breathing or Anulom Vilom. Now we will be learning some cooling pranayamas. We begin with the Shitali pranayam, which is also known as the cooling breath. Sit in a comfortable posture, palms resting on the thighs. Stretch the tongue forward out of the mouth and fold it in such a way to resemble the beak of a crow, like this. Breathe in through the mouth. Feel the cool air going straight down the throat into the lungs. Close the mouth. Exhale through the nostril. If you are unable to fold the tongue, pout the face as if you are drinking from a straw and inhale this way. Close the mouth and exhale. We will repeat 3 more rounds. Inhale. Exhale. Round 2. Inhale. Close. Exhale. Last round. Inhale. Exhale. The next is Sitkari Pranayam. Sitting comfortably, keeping your spine erect, take a few normal breaths. Now join the lower and the upper teeth together. Keep the mouth open as much as you can, as if you are giving a wide smile. Inhale through the closed teeth, making a hissing sound. Do not put too much effort on the sound, it should be soft. Release the teeth and close the mouth. Exhale through the nose. Let us repeat 3 more rounds. Open your mouth. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Last round. Exhale. If in Shitali Pranayama you felt that the cool air was going in a straight line, in Sitkari it was all around the mouth. So the first one was all about linear awareness and Sitkari is all about spatial awareness. Both Shitali and Sitkari Pranayam bring about an overall cooling effect. They are said to quench the thirst, appease hunger and generate a feeling of satisfaction. Lowers down your high blood pressure and acidity in stomach. Good for chronic indigestion, various skin diseases, calms your mind and reduces the stress, reduces your anger and fatigue. People with low blood pressure should avoid this practice. Do not practice if you are suffering from cold, sore throat, bronchitis, etc. People with sensitive teeth, missing teeth or danger should avoid Sitkari. They can practice Shitali instead. Generally, avoid this pranayam during winter or in cool climates. We are grateful to you for watching our video. Kindly like, share and subscribe. Thank you.